I've been laid off in my 40s from a company that I liked so much. It was IT company where I worked as a tester. I've been testing devices like handheld devices like planchettes, cell phones, sometimes laptops and desktops, operation systems, different browsers, and so on and so on. And I liked my job even it was very stressful. See this white hair on my head? Anyway, I worked for a number of years, and when I was laid off, it was kind of a surprise for me, but my manager back then did a good thing. She notified me 2 months before it happens. So I was kind of lucky because many people in IT and industry getting laid off overnight, right? And that's not a good experience. Hi, my name is William. I have multiple channels over YouTube, some of them headless, some of them faceless, some of them for YouTube shorts only. And on this channel, I share my experience and knowledge. I had some savings, but they didn't last long. And I remember I was trying to get back on the feet because IT industry, it's a good thing to do, right? You can work from home, you can have a decent salary and benefits, even though I worked as a contract back then, but anyway. So I was trying to get back to this industry, and I remember I was updating my profiles on LinkedIn and Twitter and so on, and I was reaching out to the different hiring agencies, and nothing, almost no response because not everyone hiring those days. After COVID-19, I feel like IT industry only laying off people, and that's it. And it's a lot of struggle, it's a lot of competition over positions that are not paid anymore that well. Like everyone else, I found how to support my daily life. So I worked as a taxi driver and food delivery. Nothing special really. At the same time, I already had interest in YouTube. So I had my channels, but I didn't apply it a lot of efforts like other people do. At that point, it started bothering me because I felt like YouTube is a good idea too. You can work also from home. You can get a decent money if you manage to scale up in terms of subscriber base and viewers. And that is where I was thinking to start this channel. And it took some time because I was thinking, how do I show my face? How do I talk confident on camera? How do I bring some value to the people? What do I share? Right? And I kind of felt like I'm not ready and I'm shy. But the trick is you start YouTube channel when you're not ready. There are exceptions in the world when people started their YouTube channel when they felt like they're ready to do it, but most of the people don't have that kind of luxury. So I did start it. And I would advise you to do the same. Just start, do something, upload something, talk about something, and upload it. Take a picture, take a video of the tree, talk about it. Take a video of your car, talk about it too. Take a video about weather, comment on this. Take a video of the news, comment on this too, and keep uploading. As of myself, I had different jobs before I got into IT, and I didn't stick around for a long time, maybe a year or two. So I got a lot of experience everywhere, and I can use it here to share with everyone. Before I worked in IT, I worked as a mover. I was moving stuff from home to home, from house to house for people, for money, and I worked for some time as a foreman. So I had a big, huge truck. I had a truck and two helpers with me, and I had all the paperwork that I need to sign with the customer after work done. I like this job, but the thing is, you can't do it forever because it's very physically demanding. There is so much to do on this job at the short time, and at some point I felt like I can't do this anymore. So I switched temporarily to the taxing around the city, and it was a good experience too. I had money in my pocket, I had something to eat, I had a roof above my head. Every night I could spend in a warm bed. But the thing is, I worked hard, but in the end of the year, I supposed to pay my taxes, and that is where I realized I losing more than earn as a taxi driver. So I quit there too. Oh my God, who was that? T-Rex? Anyway, so I quit, right? What else I did? I worked for some time in a warehouse. I worked in a delivery of the newspaper, but eventually this company died out because it's not popular anymore. Everyone reading everything online on the websites or watching videos, right? Also, I need to list my jobs in order so I can present it on this video. But as of right now, I found a job as a part-timer in an airport as a ramp service agent. And what do we do is we guide in to the gate the airplane when it lands in airport. We do upload and unload of the goods and baggage. We deal with supplies shortages on the aircraft. We load air, fuel, water, and other stuff. And then we communicate with the crew and captain if they're ready to go. That's job kind of pretty much straightforward if you are not occupying the lead responsibilities. And sometimes we have downtimes. We're just waiting an aircraft to come. Anyway, it's a good job. I like it, but at the same time, I'm trying to push with my move forward with my YouTube channels, and that's why I started this channel, to share my knowledge on the current state of my efforts. And I kind of like it. I like to share it. I like to see the feedback. Even this channel is so small. There's kind of interesting activity. I would like to share more. Let me know in comments what do you want to see more video about, and I'll make it. If you struggle after you got fired or laid off, don't panic. It's always good to have like financial caution in any situation. If you have some means to survive for 2 or 6 months, you can spend some time for looking for a new job. And if not, you can always do like what everyone else do, like a taxi driving or delivery. Be aware that competition is everywhere, and you want to start as soon as possible. Just don't let it keep you down all the time. Do something. That's pretty much everything that I wanted to share about me in my 40s. I hope this video is helpful for you too, and I hope I did share experience and added some value. Also, if you like video that I make, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.